Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming up with a recipe which is kids' favorite, that is muffins. So I'm going to make muffins today. Just try this recipe for your kids. I'm sure they're going to love it. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. For muffins, we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour and then half a cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and then I have taken oil. It's like 2 tablespoons of oil and half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 cup of milk. So let's start. So I have added all-purpose flour and cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and I am going to sieve it. After sieving, then I will mix it together. Batter is ready. We'll keep it aside for 5 minutes, and by that time we can preheat the oven at 180 degree for 10 minutes. Now we will preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degree, and then I'm going to put the mixture in the molds. These are the baking cups. I'm going to, or you can say cup liners. So I'm going to put the mixture in these cups. I'm going to check whether it is done properly or not. I will poke it into it and it's all baked properly. See, it comes out so clean. I'll just close it for 1 more minute and then I'll take out.